full forecast coming up in the next half hour, but time for a quick look at the weather today with Sarah. Oh, finally, the blue skies are here.
I found you some blue sky, Nina. Yes, good afternoon. The first few days of meteorological spring are bringing us a bit more of this. Some spring sunshine, feeling quite pleasant in the sunshine. This is the picture in Cromer on the east coast, but it's not quite the same everywhere. Let's head to the west coast, and this is the picture in Aberystwyth, where we've got a lot of low cloud producing some drizzly outbreaks of rain at the moment. So for the rest of today, really, we've got three zones of weather for you. Towards the southeast, some sunshine, some blue sky. Then we've got more cloud and a few spots of light rain around this central portion of the UK, and then a return to sunny spells and some blustery showers towards the northwest. So that's a summary of the rest of today, but I'll bring you a more detailed forecast before the end of the programme. Back to you, Nina.
OK, we'll see you soon. Sarah, thank you. Sarah Keith Lucas with the weather today. And look at that and a beautiful blue sky.
Yeah, thank you, Nina. We have got a bit of sunshine out there for some of us. Some spring sunshine, feeling pleasantly warm too. But for some places, still really soggy conditions underfoot. Look at this in Somerset. And actually across parts of southern England, we've still got about 50 flood warnings in force. And that's because it has been very, very wet for the season of winter. The Met Office have released their winter stats now, and this winter 25 into 26 has been amongst the wettest on record. For places like the West Midlands and Cornwall, it's been the wettest winter on record, but there's been a big regional variation, and across the northwest of Scotland, for instance, it's been particularly dry. But what you will also have noticed is sunshine has been in really short supply for many of us. A little bit more of that, in fact, as we start meteorological spring, but it's been a mild winter for most of us, especially overnight. So as we head through the next couple of days, then the milder, slightly drier theme continues. So some better news, certainly. Temperatures still above average. There's some spells of sunshine in the forecast and a few showers on the cards as well. So we've got this frontal system with us, which is easing away over the next few days towards the east as higher pressure builds into the middle part of the week. Over the past few hours, this is the satellite and radar, and you can see we've got this stripe of cloud and patchy rain through the central slice of the UK. Clearer skies either side of that, but there will be some blustery showers heading in across Northern Ireland into the west of Scotland over the next few hours. And this band of cloud is quite slow moving through parts of northern England, Wales and the southwest, but the rainfall tending to peter out on that system. Temperatures around 15 degrees in the southeast, so feeling pleasantly warm in that sunshine. And then we've got these blustery showers that will continue to move their way off towards the east as we head through this evening and overnight. Bit of patchy cloud in the south, but also some clear spells. It should be frost-free for southern parts of England and Wales, but a chilly night in the north. In fact, parts of Scotland could get down to -2 or -3 Celsius. A bit of a chilly start to tomorrow then, but we're expecting a largely dry day with a bit more sunshine than we've got today. Still a bit of patchy cloud drifting around towards the south. You might get an isolated light shower here, but for most of us, lighter winds than we've got today and brighter skies too. So temperatures about 10 to 14 degrees, not quite as warm as today, but it will feel pleasant in that sunshine, as it will on Wednesday as well. So thankfully another dry day, a bit more cloud across the northwest of the UK. The winds coming in from a southerly direction, lifting temperatures to around about 9 to 15 degrees. Now, towards the end of the week, we've got this mild air with us coming in from the south, but by Thursday, there's also a weather front with cooler air and wetter conditions in from the northwest. So for Thursday, then, for the bulk of England and Wales, after a bit of a misty start, you should see a dry day with some sunshine, perhaps the odd isolated heavy shower. Further towards the north and west, it is turning a little bit wetter and cooler. But in the sunshine, we could see temperatures up to about 17 degrees or so. Certainly the next few days are looking predominantly dry and mild for the time of year, but there's more wet weather and cooler conditions on the cards, particularly towards the northwest by the end of the week. Back to you, Nina.
Thanks, Sarah. It's been a real mood changer over the weekend, having that blue peep through, hasn't it?